Molloy and welcome to M.A.D for Mondays. I'm really excited to be here in Sydney with one of our Western Australia leaders. Now, I would love you to tell me your name, your business, and what you do on a Monday to make a difference for your week, or what you do to make a difference in life.
Sure thing. Okay, so my name is Nate Arnemer. I am the founder of 1,000-Fold Result, and I am the #1 coaching consultant for online business in Australia. And what I do on Mondays is I actually make sure that I put a plan together for everything I'm going to do for the entire week. So I have all of my calls booked up, ready to go. I have all of my strategies that I'm going to do ready to go on my Monday. I especially spend an hour allocating everything that I'm going to do and everything I need to do. So then I don't actually have to worry about what to do, when to do it. It's already planned out for me, and I can just smooth sail and get it all planned out when I need to do it. And it also helps me if I need to ad-lib or change something on the spot, because I have something already set in place. I can look at it and go, okay, I can move this here and move that there. It just makes so much more productivity, because now I'm spending all of my time doing what I should be doing rather than what I think I should be doing next.
Wow. Can I ask a question? What was your bird type in leadership?
I'm an eagle.
Okay, so see, eagles are fantastic at creating plans, setting goals. So if it's not your strength, it's okay to take it on and be an eagle too.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I hope that makes a difference for you. Speak soon. Bye.
See ya. Thank you.